The Clare-based community educator Tejaswy Swathi is using art to start important conversations around women's health as part of a national training programme focused on sustainability and social change. The initiative's connected to the Development Perspectives SDG Advocate Training, which supports educators and community leaders across the country in developing projects linked to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Tejaswy, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning, Alan. Thanks for having me.
No, thanks very much for being with us. So can you tell us more about what the programme is all about?
Yeah, so you have mentioned the Sustainable Development Goals already. So now, what is Sustainable Development Goal? Back in 2015, world leaders from 193 countries came together to create something called 17 Sustainable Development Goals. These are basically a roadmap for creating a fairer, healthier, and more sustainable world by 2030. So by development perspectives, there is this program called SDG Advocate Training, which is a 7-month program for adult and community educators who want to better their understanding of these goals. When we hear about these global challenges like climate change, inequality, or health crisis, they can sometimes feel overwhelming and like they feel big, distant, and almost impossible for one person to influence. So I'd say like this advocate training would be a great starting point to deepen that understanding and bring projects into your own community.
As part of the programme, participants develop their own action projects. Can you tell us a little bit about the project you're launching? Because as I mentioned, it uses art to highlight women's health issues. Why did you choose visual art as the medium to start these conversations?
Yeah, so the project, as you said, it's using visual arts to spark these conversations because I'm living in Clare. Maybe I don't have to tell this, but already everybody knows about this. I was surrounded by many creative people here in Clare, like be it music, be it paintings, be it anything. Like they're very creative, they're very talented. And I wanted to use these arts to create a platform where women's health issues like menstrual health, maternal care, or reproductive rights, which are often surrounded by silence or stigma sometimes. And people might know statistics, numbers, but I think art can bring out the human stories behind those numbers and just make them heard. And through the series of art exhibitions, we actually had one art exhibition in November after I finished the advocate training, and we had 6 artists based in Ireland. That opened up a space for community dialogue and helped break the stigma a little, I guess, to talk about these issues openly. And my project is directly related to 2 sustainable development goals, which is good health and well-being and gender equality.
Okay, and the programme is currently open for applications. What kind of people would benefit from taking part?
It's really for people who are involved in community development, who are passionate about community change, who are actively involved, be it educators, be it community leaders, anyone who's involved or directly working with the community, or who wants to work in the community.
Well, it sounds like a really positive initiative, and we wish you the best with it and anyone else who takes part. That's Tejaswy Swathi, community educator.